Combining ultra-modern technology, immense strength, and elegant aesthetics, we provide the foundation of safety to the millions of India. Boss locks, built with quality, built for security. A successful brand of VK Industries, Boss Locks has become India's most renowned and reliable lock brand in a short span of time. Our company was established in 2014 at Jamnagar, Gujarat. With every passing year, it has managed to achieve extraordinary business milestones. We manufacture an extensive range of superior quality locks and architectural hardware that has earned the trust of millions across India. Our products portfolio comprises door locks, furniture locks, commercial locks, mortise lock bodies and handles, Euro profile cylinders, door accessories, door closing systems, etc. Made from pure brass, these products are scratch resistant, corrosion resistant, extra strong and highly durable. Apart from that, they come with smart features, elegant design and lustrous finish. As an added advantage, we offer a gamut of benefits to our customers like free installation, 15 years warranty for rim locks and spare dimple keys within 48 hours. Being the front runner in innovation, we are launching a new product, Leo, the king of vertical locks, as well as for the first time in the industry, we are introducing Tetra bolts and rim locks. Our founders and directors Mr. Atul Kandani, Mr. Birju Kandani and Mr. Preet Vachani have shared vision of providing enhanced security and a flawless user experience through top-notch quality products at affordable prices. Our sophisticated ISO 9001-2015 certified production unit is equipped with the most advanced machinery in the industry. Our in-house team is always designing and developing a new products to cater to the numerous needs of our customers. The entire production process is carried out in two segments, lock manufacturing and cylinder manufacturing. For lock manufacturing, we procure the best quality raw materials which is meticulously tested before the initiation of production. Initially, the iron sheet is sent to the press department where processes like cutting, trimming, punching, riveting are performed to form the body of the lock. For rim and Euro profile, raw material is fabricated into cylinder parts like housing and barrel by turning and cutting. Euro profile barrel is broached in double wave shape using the broaching machine. For rim cylinder, 3-side lever pinhole drilling and key dimpling is done. Then the parts are sent to the buffing department where the lock part is properly polished. After that, they are sent to the electroplating department where processes like jigging, cleaning, plating, drying, lacquering, and oven baking are executed. Our products come in various plating processes such as copper, nickel, brass, satin nickel and lacquer finish, rose gold and jet black, etc. Finally, the parts of the lock body are assembled and stored. Throughout the manufacturing, our quality control team keeps a keen eye on the outcome of each and every process. They conduct numerous tests such as hull cell test, lab analysis test, solvent rub test, pencil hardness test, life cycle test. Lastly, the finished parts of the cylinder are assembled and final quality inspection is performed. Main door locks, cylindrical locks, furniture locks and motors handles are assembled by a highly experienced fitter and are packed in the foam sheet and box and put in the carton ready for dispatch. Our widespread network of 50 exclusive distributors and more than 3,000 dealers across India ensure the easy accessibility of our products in the market. We have established company depots in Rajkot, Ahmedabad and Surat city. Also, we are going beyond the boundaries and exporting products in the international markets. Thanks to our amazing products, we have managed to garner the loyalty and appreciation of our esteemed customers as well as become the most preferred choice of architects and interior designers across India. Our goal is to expand our product portfolio with modern, innovative, smart products that enable us to become an industry leader. Boss Locks, your security is our responsibility.